Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Apple Watch Ultra 2. The first thing you should do is set up the action button. The orange button on the side of the watch can instantly open the workout app, making it easier to start an activity whenever you are ready. To do this, open Settings on your watch, tap Action button, choose Workout, and then set First Press to start workout. Once that is done, you can begin using the workout app. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 tracks important information during every session, including your heart rate, calories burned, and workout time. This helps you understand your progress and stay motivated. If you tap the three dots beside a workout type, such as running or Pilates, you can create a custom goal. You can choose to exercise for a certain amount of time, reach a distance target, or burn a specific number of calories. While a workout is active, swipe left to find options for pausing, ending, or locking the workout screen. You can also swipe right to open the activity app and check your daily progress. The rings show how close you are to reaching your goals. You can compete with friends, earn achievements, and build streaks as you stay active. There are many more features inside the workout app, so take some time to explore everything. Thanks for watching.